Security Exchange Commission of United States (SEC) is really after crypto exchanges, it seems. It was quite evident that they don't like crypto from the onset, but this time the thing is real. SEC has now sued both Binance and Coinbase on different charges. And so for Coinbase, they say that they have been operating as an unregistered national security exchange, broker, and clearing agency. The SEC also accused Coinbase of failing to register its crypto asset staking as a service program. The complaint alleges that since 2019, Coinbase has facilitated the buying and selling of billions of dollars worth of crypto asset securities without proper registration, combining the functions of an exchange, broker, and clearing agency. The SEC claims that Coinbase failure to register has deprived investors of essential protection such as SEC inspection, record keeping requirements, and safeguard against conflicts of interest. The charges also extends to Coinbase holding company, Coinbase Global. SEC also has alleged that Coinbase conducted an unregistered securities offering through its staking as a service program. This program basically allows customers to earn profit through blockchain transactions validation service. Coinbase allegedly pooled customer stakeable crypto assets, performed the necessary validations, and rewarded customers with a portion of the generated rewards. The SEC states that Coinbase failed to register these offers and sales as required by law. For Binance, the US Security and Exchange Commission has filed a complaint against Binance that Binance violated federal securities laws. The SEC alleges that Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platform, by the way, has unlawfully solicited US investors to trade crypto asset securities on its platform, Binance.com and Binance.us. As per their complaint, Binance has engaged in an unregistered offers and sales of securities and made false representations to investors regarding surveillance and controls over manipulative trading. So, what happens next? No one knows. I think this will drag on for some time because SEC is seeking various remedies and resolutions, including a permanent injunction, disgorgement of ill-gotten gains, civil money penalties, and equitable relief. And that might be the reason why most of these exchanges are flocking to the safe havens like UAE and other places. Well, is your crypto safe? I'm not sure. But remember this, if it is not in your wallet, it's not your coin. So make sure that whatever um, exchange you are using, whatever your location is, if just transfer them to your own wallet. And that is the whole purpose behind crypto, right? You don't have to rely on any one central agency. So don't worry about these exchanges. They have already earned billions and trillions of dollars. Just focus on your own crypto, which is down by the way. And let's think that if we will get any use case out of it or not. Thanks for listening.